Now third type, that is equation of a plane passing through two given points and perpendicular to a given plane. Now let's see what the formula for this part is. Now the equation of a plane, now plane passing through two given points, the equation of a plane passing through two given points that is, let the points be P and Q. The two given points P and Q and perpendicular to the plane, and the equation of the plane vector r dot product for vector n1 is equal to d1 is, now the equation is given as vector r minus vector a with dot product of vector n1 cross product for vector pq is equal to 0. Okay. Or now to this we can write it vector r minus vector a dot product for vector n is equal to 0, where vector n is equal to n1 cross vector pq. So this is the equation for the plane passing through two given points and perpendicular to a given plane. Now algorithm approach. Now step 1, obtain the position vector of given points P and Q be vector A and vector B respectively. Step 1. Step 2. Obtain the equation of the plane perpendicular to the required plane, perpendicular to the required plane. Now let the equation be vector r dot vector n1 is equal to d. Step number 3. Let vector n be the normal vector to the required plane. Then vector n is perpendicular to both vector n1 and vector pq. Therefore, compute vector n is equal to vector n1 cross product for vector pq. Step 4. Write the equation of required plane as this one. Okay, vector r minus vector a dot vector n is equal to 0, where vector n is equal to cross product for n1 and vector pq. And so on. So these are the 4 algorithms.